In 2015, a small group of tech visionaries gathered in San Francisco. Their goal wasn't to build another app or gadget. It was to create safe artificial intelligence that could benefit all of humanity. They called it OpenAI. At first, few noticed. But within 8 years, OpenAI would ignite an AI revolution, dethrone tech giants, and redefine how humans interact with machines. This is the story of how ChatGPT changed everything. OpenAI began as a nonprofit co-founded by Elon Musk, Sam Altman, and a small team of researchers. They feared a future where powerful AI could fall into the wrong hands. Their mission: keep AI open, safe, and accessible to everyone. They raised $1 billion in pledges, promising to share their discoveries with the world. In the early years, OpenAI quietly published research: reinforcement learning, neural networks, robotics. But behind the scenes, something far more powerful was brewing. By 2018, reality set in. OpenAI's ambitions were too expensive for a nonprofit model. Training large AI models required millions in compute power. That's when Microsoft stepped in. In 2019, they invested $1 billion, helping OpenAI transition to a capped profit company. The goal remained noble, but the partnership changed everything, giving OpenAI access to Azure's supercomputers and Microsoft a front-row seat to the AI revolution. Then came GPT-2, a text generator so realistic that OpenAI initially refused to release it. The world got a glimpse of what AI could really do. By 2020, GPT-3 arrived with 175 billion parameters, capable of writing essays, code, and poetry. The internet exploded with fascination and fear. AI wasn't just a research concept anymore. It was creating content, arguments, even humor. And then, in November 2022, OpenAI dropped its most disruptive product yet. ChatGPT launched quietly, and the world lost its mind. Within 5 days, it hit 1 million users, faster than Instagram, Spotify, or Netflix. Teachers, programmers, marketers, students, everyone tried it. For the first time, AI felt human. It could converse, remember, and reason, at least it seemed to. OpenAI had officially entered the mainstream, and nothing in tech would ever be the same again. Suddenly, every company wanted a piece of the AI pie. Google scrambled to release Bard, later Gemini. Amazon, Meta, Anthropic, and countless startups joined the race. Microsoft integrated ChatGPT into Bing and Office, calling it Copilot. Billions of dollars flowed into AI startups overnight. OpenAI became the face of a modern-day digital gold rush, a company shaping the very tools people use to work, learn, and think. But power attracts chaos. In late 2023, Sam Altman was suddenly fired by OpenAI's board, sending shockwaves through Silicon Valley. Within days, over 700 employees threatened to quit and join Microsoft in protest. Under pressure, the board reversed course. Altman was reinstated. The saga exposed deep tensions: safety versus profit, openness versus control. It raised one question: had OpenAI strayed from its founding ideals? Today, OpenAI sits at the center of a global transformation. Its technology powers classrooms, startups, corporations, and creative projects. ChatGPT, DALL-E, and Sora have become household names. But the competition is fierce. Google, Meta, Anthropic, and countless open-source models are catching up fast. What began as an idealistic nonprofit is now a billion-dollar powerhouse defining the next era of computing. The question is no longer what can AI do? It's who controls it. From a handful of researchers to reshaping the digital world, OpenAI's story mirrors humanity's endless pursuit of innovation and power. We built machines that can think, write, and create. But as the line between human and artificial blurs, one truth remains. The future isn't written by AI. It's written by those who dare to use it. This is Tech Tales, and this was the rise of OpenAI.